Alright guys, so I'm going to do a cold start on this exhaust system. I'm going to let you hear what I'm talking about as far as the active exhaust. So I've noticed it on the, basically the first 20 seconds of starting your car is when the active exhaust kicks in before the valves shut. So it's got like that hyper warm up sound, but then there's the rattling. I'm not sure if it's an install thing, but I'll let you listen. Hey, what's up YouTube world? It's Ryan from Riding in Style. And for those of you who haven't already heard, I did decide to go with the exhaust system for the Hellcat. And the one that I chose was the same one that I put on my other Charger, which is the Flowmaster American Thunder kit. And that comes with the Super 40 mufflers, but it's a full kit which goes to the X pipe. So it upgrades the X pipe from 2.5 or 2 3/4 up to a 3-inch all the way around. So after the X pipe, the mufflers is the Super 40s, and then the straight pipes all the way back 3 inches, which ultimately removes the resonators as well. So it's also like doing a resonator delete as well as upgrading the mufflers, and it gives that great muscle car, that American growl that I love. So with that being said, I was looking into a few other ones. I kind of wonder what the Borla Attack would have sounded like. I did a video a little while ago where I compared a buddy of mine. He has an RT, but he did the whole Hellcat kit. In fact, what I'll probably do is link a link to his video up here, and he had the Borla Attacks, and we did like a cold start, and it sounded really good. The only concern I have is the active exhaust, and I think that's kind of that grinding, buzzing sound that I get from underneath the exhaust, because the active exhaust, it really activates around the first 20 seconds of start when you start your engine, as to like warm up the car and whatnot. So after 20 seconds, the valves shut off, and that's kind of when the car runs normally. So I did notice within that first 20 seconds, as I showed in the clip, that it has like that sound. So what I'm going to do today is I'm going to take it in to the place that installed it for me, and I already talked to them. They're going to look at it, and I'm just hoping that, you know, they're able to fix it, or at least rectify whatever's causing that sound. Again, it's only for the first 20 seconds, and I'm pretty sure it's due to the active exhaust. Now, the kit that I did buy is equipped with those valves that connect to the exhaust pipe for the active exhaust. So it's not an issue about if I bought the right or wrong one. I'm just hoping there's a way to maybe secure the pipes a lot better. I don't know what's causing that rattling sound, but that's why we're going in today. So let's see what they say. So I just got the car back. They did a quick look at it, tightened some of the clamps, said they saw some rocks. I don't think it was rocks. Rocks eventually go away. But, you know, that being what it said, I did just start it just now. I didn't notice any rattling sound. Still at the place in the parking lot. But I'm not sure if that's because the car had been started already a couple of times. So time will tell. I'm just hoping that this active exhaust, you know, that noise from underneath goes away. And so what I'm going to do is maybe wait until tomorrow do another cold start and see what happens. So stay tuned. So this is the next day after the so-called repairs, after I took my car back in for the exhaust, and we'll see if there's any rattle. Well, as you can see, there was still a little bit of a rattle, and I think it is due to the active exhaust because it's a lot less than what it used to be. It's within like that first 15 or 20 seconds, it came on a couple of times. So I'm going to have to dig and do some research. I did take it back. The guy that supposedly fixed my car said that he's not sure what it could be. He thought he tightened the clamps, and that's all he knew how to do. So I'm going to see if that's a common problem with the active exhaust with the new exhaust system, or if there's another remedy for that. What do you folks think? Do you think there could be an issue with the install? Do you think that maybe the active exhaust sensors weren't put on correctly? Leave a comment below. Let me know what you think. But thank you all for watching. This is Ryan from Riding in Style. Yeah.